Hi everybody, Claudia here with a short message about Graphics Special Interest Group meeting that's going to take place in October. Yes, October the 8th. I still remember the date. Yeah. The topic of that meeting is going to be Instagram. Is Instagram still relevant? Is it popular? What to do? Tips and tricks. And of course, time for Q&A, questions, and I hope answers. You might ask, who is going to be the presenter? Well, I will give you 3 seconds to guess. That's me. Yes. Okay. I know it was hard to guess. I get it. I'm so happy that I'm going to talk about Instagram because Instagram is one of my favorite platforms for now. It's a great place where you can discover so many things. And you know what? I'm going to share some tips how to use it and how to just enjoy that Instagram. So if you have also tips and tricks about Instagram, join us. I think that's it because I promised it's going to be a short message. As always, links to the Zoom meeting you will be able to find on the website grandcomputers.org and in little bites if I'm not mistaken. That's it, guys. And as always, stay safe, stay groovy. Till next time.